Hello my viewers, this is from Code for Tomorrow again, and today we will work in CSV file. Okay, CSV stands for comma separated values, and we can create a CSV file using Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay, name it as cs.xls. Okay, open it, and okay, we see some blank fields. We will put some values in there. Okay, I set some values in my blank fields. You can write in hand or you can just copy from internet. Okay, now let's save this file as CSV CS, and the format is CSV. Yes, this one. Save. Yes, and close this one. Okay, now we will copy this file and paste it in a project file. I work in PyCharm for my Python code, and I will copy and paste it in PyCharm project folders. You can open it in using another method. Okay, paste it in here, and we see that cs.csv in here. Okay, now open a Python file and name it cs. Yes. Okay, first open it as a file and CSV file. Open the file actually, cs.csv, and our operation what we will run in this code, that one is read. We will write, we will append in next videos. Okay, then we will run a loop for this CSV in CSV file.read lines. Print the line. Okay, and close the CSV file. That's it, and see what is going on this file. First we open this CSV file and we just open every line, read lines, using read lines, and we just print the lines. That's it. Let's run the code. Okay, here is our expected outputs, and we can complete this CSV read lines in another methods. That's now we will see that method. First import CSV with open cs.csv, sorry, r as file. Oh, sorry for mistake. Reader, csv.reader. Okay, for loop in reader. Sorry for my these mistakes. Okay, now let's run the code. Oh, we see same output. Okay, let's trace the code. First we say open the CSV file, and we just read the file using reader, and give it and put the values in reader variables. Then we run a for loop for in this reader variables and print every line. That's it for today. We will meet in the next videos. Thank you all.